Jam Rock Home. Presents. Caught stealing JPS life. Jamaican Movies. Starring Sister Petra and Ethic Boss.
Babes, hurry up and come with the knife, no man.
Hurry
up and do this before people start walk on the road, no man.
Hold on, man. My God. I come in.
You don't know a system steal. A thief, a thief light, you know.
So what that have to do with my youth? Why you are going to like me make you light a chip every minute? You know, some face and maybe all other people who hook up their light same place and cause the problem every
and
night.
that go on every time they try to put for them wire near our one.
When you go there, you tear it down from where for you one day, yeah?
Sure.
Because of that cause the problem. And you first throw up your light there and now the people are going to go cause problem because night time we can't even get the fan to blow up on with. Every minute the light they will
they overcrowd the wire, you know.
Mister, when you go up there, you first used to put your wire there, babe. When you go there, pop it off and dash them a ground. Because
that,
then
listen me, that make JPS always a fine with light, you know. Because deeper, whole heap of wire with them a chew up, you know. Why them not just run one wire and then we connect to it?
Me don't want you run nothing with them because if they never know so you they put for your wire there, they won't go up there, you know. Them can find somewhere else and hitch them wire. Me tell you this man, at night time, me can't get the fan to blow up and at night time so hot. Every minute the light a chip out. You know carry this.
Right, you know, me tired of them system, you know. I better me go the legal way, you know.
Legal way, you have money to pay. You have money to pay. I'm over, you know.
I can't bother with this. If me go a legal way, at least me know say me light will not chip so.
Me understand, baby, but look here. You have money to pay JPS to run the wire. You know, so where we live, no wire no run there. You think them are going to run wire for one or two, somebody hook up on it? Or what for somebody for thing there? You understand? Get how we live.
Right you know, I better we safe towards that, you know, because me can't every minute I go throw up wire upon JPS line, you know.
Yeah, but
what if me get electrocuted one day when time me a choke?
I understand why you say my youth, but remember say I get to you live. And me say no light. You see the light post run out where we there? You see the light post run there? JPS now can give you all one light. So you get that out of your head. Me understand, so you feel frustrated and all of this.
Feel frustrated. The TV can lick, all fridge can lick in a man.
You know so much time them lick.
Every time they come and choke them wire near our one a ground.
Well, listen to me. You want me come with you this morning and make me tear it down. You see me never afraid of electric man. Me come over there and tear it down, you know. Because me tell you that you have to do. Because you see what them do now at night time we can't sleep in a peace.
The two we can't go, you know. Because if you come with me, how me gonna know if the light come?
That's true. Alright, hey. Me case and galang and come back. Then something upset me, you know. Me tell them village people, you know. Me say them just want to see somebody do something. Them not business if it's wrong or right, you know. Them chuck on pan it too. My God, look at your sweat. You should have never do it when the light out, so you know. You should have do it before. You should have go before day night. Yeah, before day light out because you don't know say what pass somebody there on road.
So what you want me do? Wait till tonight me do it?
Me no man, me can't wait
till long. You think spoil in my fridge?
I'm want the ice water for drink. Alright, nobody get upset for me. You go along so like I me make you light a cut off so. You make sure when you go there, you dash off everybody wire off of the JPS line. Because I mean your first when put through wire there. Then to boom man and jumpy.
Try and make sure so you keep your phone near enough so when time you throw it,
you
tell me if light coming up.
My God, you just had me up from
I'm tired of them system you know, man.
Me understand. Alright, baby. Lord Jesus. You know I carry the stick. Where you going with the stick? Go for the stick, man. Next thing you go there, you ball me down for come in a bush for light. Take it easy, man. Take your time. Alright, take it easy, man. You know if they go along say, you know. Oh, Jesus. Help us. Why Jeremiah sit down in the house and don't come out here and stay with me? Huh? Some morning he see that I am outside doing something. Why he don't come? Good morning, Errol. How are you this morning?
Why? I'm not doing so good, you know.
What is wrong with you, honey?
Lighter give me big problem from last night.
Your light giving you problem?
Yeah.
So that's why you have the wire and you have the stick with you?
Why, I'm going to try to see if I can fix it, you know.
Okay. So how your girlfriend managing in without the light?
She tormented. Me I tell her say she tell me say must go fix it because I never really want to go fix it with in a broad daylight because you know a system set up so a thief little light.
So why, oh Lord have mercy. Don't worry yourself, my son. Very soon you will can afford to pay your light bill. You hear?
Yeah, man.
Uh-huh. Good morning, Monica. Oh Lord. Sister Monica passing by.
I don't really like them things where people are sitting with light every minute. Light wire up and down, you know, because the police.
So why you never go before daylight out?
Monica leave something there for you.
Oh, she leaves something for me. Yeah. Thank you, Monica. I'm grateful. You hear me? I'll see you later. She fanned me off. You know, she's a very feisty lady. You know, you have to see with her.
I can see it.
Yes. So, all right. Since that you're going to fix your light, you go ahead.
Why?
And be careful because I heard that it will shock you, you know, and it can kill you when you're fixing it.
That's the dangerous part, you know.
Oh, Lord, and I don't want that anything to happen to you, you know. I don't want anything to happen to you.
We catch up.
Because, you know, you're a very nice young man.
We catch up, man.
Yes, man.
So how your husband, Jeremiah, doing?
He's good and he's sitting down inside. I don't know what he's doing. I was just grumbling to myself, say, why you don't come out here to help me in the yard? You know, I'm raking up and he could have sit with me and we have a proper reasoning, you know.
I understand. Sometimes we're tired as man, you know. You understand? Sometimes we need really to rest also, you know.
Okay. All right,
so,
I understand.
I'll catch up with you.
And
yeah,
take
man?
it easy now. You hear?
Yeah, man.
All right. Lord have mercy. Him can't afford the legal light. You see them young people, yeah? You see these young people? Eh? Why him not go get improper light? Huh? These are the things that is happening in our district, you know. Them thieving the light and expect for us to pay for it. Eh? What them expect we to do? Pay for them light? You know what I'm going to do? I'm tired of these young people. They don't want to work and what did I do with the phone? I'm going to call the police. Let him lock him up. I'm tired of see them with stick every morning and light wire like they work at JPS. And when it's done, me and my husband have to pay for what them do. Talk about he never have light last night. I want to call 119 upon him. Good morning, Inspector. I am Madam Josiah calling from Ochireas. Yes, sir. I am here to report a matter. You know that I just see my neighbor passing with light to run illegal wire. And him have stick. And the reason why I'm reporting it is not that I am carrying news, you know. I'm not carrying any news, but I watch it on the TV where JPS said that we should report it. So I'm reporting it because I'm tired of seeing them up and down my street. Say they're going to fix light, and because of that I have to pay for it when they do their damage. What you mean by you cannot do anything about it and I have to go to the JPS to report it? Isn't this an emergency line? But sir, I don't... Sir, you are the police, sir, and I come to report that Errol is thieving light. I am not pleased, sir, because I see you advertise this on the TV and the radio that we should call in case of any emergency. Now I'm calling and you're telling me to go up by the JPS? All right, okay. Sir, it's not that I am an informer. It's just that I'm a plain person in the district. I'm not an informer, sir. All right, Sir, I'm disappointed with this number, sir, because I thought you would have come and catch him throwing up the wire. All right. Sir, I'm sorry that I bother you this morning because you cannot help me. I'll just see if I can go down by the house and then go up to JPS and report it, because I will not tolerate this any longer. Have a good day, sir. I'm disappointed, you don't know. I'm disappointed. Jesus Christ. See Errol and him way there. Oh, it's through that bush. I wonder if Jeremiah can. You know what? I'm not even taking.
When them system ya go end, man. Tired of them thing, you know, man. Don't hope nobody no pass and see me all do all this in this early morning. You know. Like problem, you know, man.
Jeremiah.
Yes, my wife.
We have serious problem. What you in here doing from morning?
I'm trying to fix this up.
So don't you see that I was outside and I was looking out for you?
My wife.
What is wrong with you?
I can't take the nanga in my ears every minute, you know, my wife.
What do you mean by the nanga?
Yes, I'm here trying to fix this up.
Yes, while I am outside waiting on you from morning because something illegal happened out there and you did not get to see.
What happened?
There was trouble outside and I was looking for you to see it as well and you did not come. But tell you what, I want you to follow me go by the JPS. You hear me?
Follow you go up to the JPS for what?
Why are you shouting at me? Why are you shouting? You don't even hear what I'm saying, but you're shouting.
Nothing do wrong with our light, my wife. So why you want me to go up to the JPS for?
Because there is somebody stealing the JPS light. That's what's wrong. And we have to pay for it. We have a little bit
to do with us, my wife.
It have a lot to do with us because the little bit of pension we getting, it cannot pay our light bill, and because of that we are in so much stress. I just saw Errol with a long stick, you know, and a long piece of wire. And I see where he was going. He told me that he's going to fix the light because they didn't
what
have
that have to do with you now? Tell me now. What people business have to do with you, my wife?
It's not.
Why make you so fast?
Jesus Christ, Jeremiah! It's not people business. It's our business.
It's not my business.
Lord have mercy. You don't see we have to pay for it when they thief it, huh?
Listen to me, wife. Listen to me. The light bill already. You understand what I'm saying?
Because of the thieves, that's right. The reason why the light bill is
no
high.
thief nor nothing. The light bill just high.
Well, listen. If we report that Errol is thief in the light, right? They will cut off a little bit of money off or something, so we know how to pay it.
Listen to me. Don't make me get angry in this house.
Why are you going to get angry? Why are you going to get angry?
Why you want to put yourself in trouble? Are you an informer?
I'm not an informer. You know that?
You're getting paid to inform?
I'm not getting paid to inform my husband. You know what happened? I'm just a plain person in the village. I'm not an informer.
No concern you.
It concerns all of us. Did you know that the JPS I think it's over the TV and the radar here. They say that we must tell them when somebody's stealing the light.
Let the JPS them do them work. That no concern us.
They are doing their work and I am doing mine and you are going to do it with me. You hear what I said?
Listen to what me say now to you. Leave people business alone. You see what going on nowadays, my wife?
Yes, I see what's going on.
What them doing with informer?
You know why? You are a part of those people, you know. You see those people that don't love when people talk the truth, you are a part of it. You hear what I said?
You see I'm in here trying to fix this mosquito bat and you come here and antagonize me with people business?
It's not people business. Jeremiah.
You go to the JPS.
You are going
Leave
with
me alone out of
You
this.
are going with me to the JPS.
You will
hear
see
me?
today.
If I will see, all right. So you're going to leave your wife running it as if I
am
that's
not an informer.
You are not an informer, honey. You're just the person that talk the truth. And when you talk the truth, it doesn't mean that you're an informer. You hear me?
I warn you, you know. I warn you, you know.
Jeremiah.
Leave people business alone.
Jeremiah, you
if
know what?
Errol want to steal light, let him go ahead and steal light.
Jeremiah.
That don't concern us.
Alright, it don't concern you, but tell you what. I want to go for the JPS to find out why my light bill so high. So I'm going to change and you're following me go up there. You hear what I said?
I'm not leaving here.
Why you not leaving?
You go ahead.
One morning you're going to fix the zapper?
It have to fix. I'm not going anywhere with you because I'm not an informer.
You're not an informer, Jeremiah, and I didn't call you an informer. If you come and tell me what is happening, I wouldn't say you're informing. I would say that Jeremiah is speaking the truth. And that's the reason why the country not better, you know. It's because of who no one lock on the mouth to crime. You know that?
I warn you.
Warn yourself.
I have nothing more to say to you.
I'm glad you know you should shut your mouth because you're going up by the JPS with me. You hear what I said?
You will see.
Because of that, I'm not giving you any breakfast this morning. You hear what I said? Because you're pretending as if I'm going around the village and carrying news.
But
I'm
it's
not
not
giving you any
concerning
breakfast.
us. Leave the people them alone. If they want to steal the light, leave them alone.
Alright, I hear what you said.
The JPS will catch up on them someday.
Well, it's catch up when I see them. You hear what I said? I'm not even arguing with you. I'm going to get dressed because I'm going up there.
This woman has stressed my brain, you know. Why she make people business be for her business? We have enough problem already, right? And this woman are going to take up unnecessary problem on us. And she thinks that she alone have enough problem? Mighty God. This woman I don't know what wrong with her. She see everybody business in the village. What if Errol want to steal light? Let him go ahead. He putting his own self in danger. He can't even get electrocuted. Why? This woman a pick up people problem, man. I get tired of this type of life, you know, man. Everything this woman see in the village. Everything. Because problem for me now. Eh? We make them go send me an informer. Mighty God. Mighty God.
Jeremiah, I am ready. I am ready, my husband. I'm just going to take up my bag and then I am ready to go. So I want you to stop doing what you're doing now because we are ready to leave.
So you insist on going to the JPS, my
I
wife?
said I'm going to check out and find out how the light bill goes so sky high this month.
So why you want to go this morning when you see Errol?
No, it's not because I see Errol. I had it in mind, but you didn't remember I tell you last night. You didn't remember. It may be because you were sleeping, you never remember.
You didn't say anything about any light last night.
I could swear I said it.
You don't say anything, you just want to mix up and people business.
Oh Lord.
You think you're going to make them get rid of me and call me informer?
Nobody is going to get rid of you, honey. I won't call Errol's name when I go by the JPS. I promise.
But it's not going to make it bad for us.
I won't say anything. I'm just going to check, bring the light bill, go up there and to find out how extra come on the light bill. You hear me, baby? Put down this now. From morning you're on it and let us go to the JPS.
I'm tired of this now.
You don't have to worry.
Man.
You don't have to behave like that, baby. All right? Oh, Lord. Jeremiah, hurry up and come on. Remember, we have serious business to deal with today, you know.
You know that my foot is not feeling so well, you know, my wife.
Well, today you better make it feel well because we are on serious business. You hear me?
I'm telling you something before we leave out of this yard, right?
What?
Make sure you don't call Errol name when you go at JPS today, you know?
I am not going to call Errol names. But one thing I have to tell you. Do you know how much billions of dollars JPS have to find when them thief the light and the light go out and something is wrong with the light?
So what that have to do with you?
How you mean what it have to do with me? Well, let me tell you something. Today, everybody going down to the very hands in the yard. Anybody at all thief the JPS light? Today I'm going up at JPS and report it. And if they want me to take them to the house, I'm going to their house. Where are you going? Where
you
you
know
going?
that I'm not going to follow you go down at that place?
What you mean you're not following? You want to see? Today the two are we going to be the informer because I noticed that you're calling me informer from the other day. You hear what I said? But when you go up there, you go and see if you don't have to open that mouth of yours and tell them all who thief in the light. You hear what I said to you?
I tell you, say, you make JPS business get into your brain, you know.
I'm not.
You work at JPS? Tell me something.
I don't work there. I work from home. You hear what I said? And let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You say you're a child of God and you're uphold with dirtiness. You see all the people them walking past with it with the light wire in their hand to go and thief the JPS light. And you don't call the police not for once.
So what that have to
you
do
don't
with me?
call the police?
That is not my business.
Because you know what? You're in league with corruption. And because me save and sanctify, I am going to tell them everything. And if you were thieving it too, all your neighbor would tell them about, let them lock you up there. Because I noticed that you take inside.
You see, you is a very troublesome lady, you know.
It look like I'm troublesome.
Very troublesome.
Don't point your hand at me, you know. Don't point your hand at me because I will deal with you right here. You hear me?
I've been watching you from the other day, you know.
Watching me? Watch yourself.
Every time I see somebody pass with the wire, I see your neck shoot up like you is some giraffe or garlic.
Yes, because I
know you was up to something.
Yes, I'm taking notice of everybody.
You think I didn't
everybody
see
name I have written in the book right here.
You think
right
I didn't see this
everybody.
Oh, you talk to Errol good? As him turn him back, you snap at him like that?
You see me talking to Errol good. Errol is not my friend, and he should have known that from he was thieving the JPS like that. I wouldn't uphold with it. You hear me? I'm a save and sanctify woman. I'm
not coming with you today.
Listen to me.
I'm not coming.
You have to go with me because you think you're going to stay in the house in peace? Huh? You think you're going to stay in the house in peace? I'm sorry for the poor JPS them with what you're doing with them. Look
if
at
them want to the light and make anything happen, what that have to do with you?
It is bothering me because you don't notice that most of the time lately, JPS the light cut off and it take them how much days before they put it on back. And you hear me complaining that me hot. Huh? Because me's a whole lady, I cannot take the heat.
So what? So listen to me,
Come on, I'm not in any argument with you. What?
Right? Listen to me. Remember, say, me no know if your grandmother did tell you this. What sweet nanny goat I go run your belly today, you know.
Run my belly?
Remember when you go up here and call people name, you know. Anything come down upon you, you know you have to stand your hand, you know.
I will stand my hand.
Me
as simple as that.
With you, you
Can
know.
I say something to you?
Hear what I'm saying?
Since as you are attacking me for the thieves, let me tell you something. Why they don't go and look buckle torch? Or they go and look what do you call it? The lamp or lantern. And light it just like what I used to do in the olden days. It never killed me. Till when I can afford the proper light. Huh? So you're telling me that they're going to thief all the way? They need to go and find the buckle lamp torch. All it go and do a black up in their nose and they wash it out when they light. As simple as that. And just because you don't teach these young people to do that, that's the reason why they come up and become thieves. And even see one have to be running up and down like a mad ants at the station. I'm not going to argue with you. Come on, we're going up at the JPS. Somebody must be up there waiting on us. Hurry up!
I'm not going with you. I know my way. What?
You know your way? You better make sure that before I reach a JPS, you catch up.
What? I'm not going anywhere with you, man.
What you mean by you're not going with me?
I will take the time and come.
Come on, I'm not arguing with you. you anymore. And notice you always keep up your foolishness.
I said, go on.
If you are a Christian, you must be different. Nothing is wrong if you speak the truth, you know. When you talk about the truth is informing.
You can't done now,
I'm not going to finish because I'm upset with you.
Go on, man. I will catch up with you. Go on, man.
All right, Jeremiah.
I'm not coming with you, man. You see that woman? You see that woman? Huh. Huh.
Hey, baby.
Babes,
What, man?
why you be a problem I go on, you know?
What do you mean be a problem? So, what caused the lights when I fix it? Normally it didn't fix already. What happened?
So you look like somebody pop off the wire, you know.
So I never tell you what to do my youth to tear off them sitting off fight. I want to tell you the same thing.
That-
Rip it off.
Listen, me a good thing, so I bring other wire, you know, because it look like they all thief all some of the wire then.
Teeth through the wire.
Yeah,
I'm mad.
I rerun me there, I rerun the wire, you know.
Oh, yeah, rerun the wire.
Yeah.
All right, look. Sure. We tell us how to make the come with this morning, look. Come here, tell us that everybody wire more than tear off right, you know. I bet me and them people have big problem.
Be a
Me and them
pro-
are going to have it out, you know.
Listen, me man, I be a problem I go on here, so. Me uncle make you know, say, I run back some wire, because them thief the wire, yeah?
All right, baby.
So me,
All right.
so me call you back and ask you, say, if when it come, me call you and ask you.
All right, no problem, man. Don't nobody stress out yourself. You take it easy. Here, your breakfast ready too, you know.
Alright then, look at it.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, baby. Love you.
Warm to them people. Look how the people them run them life fish farmer in the man and thief all my wire. Oh, them system here get to me now, you know. Can't bother with them type of life here, you know, man. Sure.
Yes, Mr. Errol.
Josiah?
Yes. Oh, Lord. I'm
Where
so
you going
tired.
now?
Mr. Errol, I just take your picture. I'm tired. Mr. Errol, what you doing? What this wire for?
I tell you this man, say look how wire me like
Look
me a
how wire.
thief, man.
Your thief JPS light. Well, I take your picture. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Tell me something.
What is for, ma'am?
Oh, you mean what this for? You don't know what this for? Eh? Because I uno little thief. Every minute me light cut off. You know, I'm
Listen,
tired
I have
of you.
respect for you, and Josiah.
Yes, you have respect
You
for me,
understand?
and I have
Where your
respect for
phone
you.
there?
Leave me alone. If you touch me, you see? Have you ever touched me?
What you mean by you take my picture? Where you
I
take my
take
picture
your
for?
picture to take it up by JPS.
For what?
Oh, you mean for what? Because you're thief in the light. And almost every night, the light on and off is just because of Huno. How much more Huno?
You know, say you are an informer, little old lady.
I'm not an
You are an
informer.
informer, you know.
Don't call me an informer. I'm just a plain lady. What you want to do?
Box you down, you say,
Box
no.
me down?
What you mean?
You're losing your mind. You want me to slap you? Huh? You're losing your
Hey,
head.
you never have respect for elder. Me put you down
Elder?
today, you know.
You don't have any respect for me because I don't want any thieves to have any respect for me. Tell me something. How much more the amount of wire I see hitch up there? I don't know if I have everybody's name. Tell me how I hoof on
Hold on, man. Listen to me. Go
wire
on,
up
listen,
there.
Go on, where you going,
Where
man?
you going? Come back here, sir. Come back here,
Listen-
sir.
listen
I'm
to me.
talking to you. Why don't lead the JPS line them? I'm going to use buckle torch. See, I'm like what used to
Let me
happen
offer me no man.
Leave
Let
me
me offer me no
alone.
man.
Yes, I say you must go
Hold
and
the
use.
man. Go on, where you
I'm
going?
talking to you. Have respect for
Listen
me.
to me. Go on, where you going? Hold the
I'm
man.
not
and
going
leave me alone,
anywhere. What I want to say to you, why you don't use buckle torch like what I used to use? When
Excuse
I
yourself,
am
Potter.
talking to you and you're still putting it up, and I have the evidence in my phone. You no criminal. You think buckle torch won't kill you, no? Go and use the buckle torch until you can afford The
All
legal
man.
life.
Listen to what me I tell
You
you,
hear
all
what
man.
I said?
Go on where you go and leave.
I know I'm old. I know I'm old. You are going to live until this age?
What you mean?
Who tell you that? Longer?
You don't not long living there because you're in farmer in a village.
I am not an informer,
You
young
see
man.
this man, you talk to me well good. And now you switch for me.
Is you talk to me good? I wasn't talking to
police to come in like this.
Yes!
Now I wanted an informer, you know.
Yes, I'm not
You
an
know that?
informer. I'm a plain lady, and
Come out
moreover,
of my face, man.
this
Let me
morning
deal with
I
that
wasn't
business,
chatting up to you. I was raking me yard, and you talk to me. I didn't want any friend from you. You never see that.
Come out of
Huh?
my face and go
You
away and
carry
go.
a woman name to me. You couldn't be a good man.
You
You're
hear me
telling
say?
me about your woman like I care about your woman. What you going to do? Lick me. Lick me. I'm going up by the JPS
Come
and
out
call
of my
police
face,
on
woman,
you.
and go
You
away
hear
and
me?
go.
I said I'm going to let the police them lock you up for theft.
I'm afraid of JPS. Come out of my face, man.
Yes, man. I'm glad I get you ready. And I tell my husband to come with me. And he's slowing down and he bail out on me. But he's not coming with me.
Listen to me. Go
But
away and go. Just go
I
away and
have
go and
the-
stop distracting,
I
man.
have the evidence. I'm not distracting you. But I am glad that such a long wire you carry to teach the people them something. Eh? Is
Go
this
away
long
and go
wire?
now, woman.
Eh?
Go away and go
I'm
now.
going to leave you. I'm going to hustle and go because I want when the police them come, you're right here.
Go away and go now, man. And leave me alone, man.
Look at you, little thief. You know, won't even try to go and work, and get the proper life. Any more night over there and I see the light chip out and can't come back in. Dog, your supper.
You know, say
You hear me?
JPS. Go on.
And that's what I'm going to do.
JPS,
But
man. Go away
you're
and
not
go now,
afraid
man.
as yet because the trouble don't come to your heel yet. But as soon as the fire take you, you will see.
Go away and go, woman.
Fire there must steal in think a cool breeze.
And
still,
your tail it a go there later
from my
on.
tail?
Make the police come in our village and you see what take place at
What
your
will
yard.
take place?
You will say, wow, we the informer
Look at
self.
I'm not an informer.
You see what happened to informer?
What happened?
Every informer then like get put out.
Like get put
Oh.
out?
So
I
make
don't
sure
know
say you
that.
know one of your light and go put out later on.
Look at
Make,
you.
gonna make police come in our village and you see. When the whole of we group up and see what take place today.
Group
Yeah?
up. I want to figure group up and get on a legal light. That's what you know fi do. All your mother about she's a Christian jumping up in church and she have a thief walking up and down and not in the
Listen me, go away
behind
and go,
bars.
woman, before you make things get worse.
I
you know.
leaving.
Come out of my face and go away and go. You hear me I tell you?
You must look at you. All for your mother, if she ever come to church but she in the spirit to this Sunday, I will deal with her in the church.
Woman, go away and go.
All right.
What kind of cross is this for me this morning, man? I'm to them old people here, man. What kind of informer that? Yo. If you ever go at JPS and I'll call all my name, you know. She see what take place, you know. Anyhow she go there and call my name and make any police come here come call me. Call me or look for me. She will see what take place later on. See how she talk to me good this morning. No, say I want like a witch that, you know.
Lord have mercy upon my soul. Errol lift up him hand for box me in my face. Lord Jesus, these young people have no respect for elderly person. Oh my God. And Jeremiah not even there to see what him they do to him poor innocent wife. Oh Lord. I don't do this young man nothing and I don't say nothing harsh to him. And him plans him a go murder me. Why? Oh Lord, help me Jesus. What is wrong with these young people? Oh Lord. And I see mother every Sunday in church jumping up and down, but she in the spirit. Why the spirit never tell her that her son is a criminal and she should take him in? She jumping up and down, but she filled with the spirit. Okay. Since she won't let the police arrest him, I will do it because I am the woman in the village. All right. Since as him plan to hurt me, just because I tell him the plain truth and nothing but the truth, he wants to hit me. All right. I wonder where is my husband? Where is my husband in all of this when I need him? Oh Lord, help me.
Good morning, Mr. Errol. I don't want no yelling from you, Jeremiah. Because your woman just going to do one piece of sitting here saying I talk about say yo, she a got JPS go report me name, You and your woman are one piece of informer, So I know why you come heal me this morning, Errol, I'm not in it, I tell my wife not to go to the JPS and she still insists of going to the JPS go report everybody. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not an informer. Anything she do, I am not a part of it. That's for your business, Me no care if you no want in it, From you there with the woman and you live at the yard, Anything will come down, you have to be a part of it, Jeremiah. So nothing what you tell me say, me not really listen to what you say to me, You understand what I say? She all up in my face all a while ago, What you really saying to me? My wife come up in your face? What you really saying? That woman is very out of order. She have no right to come up in your face because she is not your mother. I tell her, Errol, leave people business alone, But she won't listen to me. But JPS, you go and go deal with it. But as me I tell you, say, anything will come down for you, Remember, say, you only cast it for yourself, If you want to threaten me, not true, I am an elder. I will do things to you, Errol. No feel say I alone can go for machine. Me can go for it too. So anything you want to do or anything you want to come down to, start it. Start it. Matter of fact, me no bag a long talking, Now go see what will take place later on. Listen to me. I don't care what you want to do. I don't care what you want to say. But I am not an informer. I'm not going inside with her. You understand? So if you want to call your bad man friend them, tell them come because for me back broad. You hear that? So go and go call them. Oh Jesus, help me Lord. Honey.
Jeremiah, yes? Jeremiah, where have you been? Where have you been?
Only one piece of problem a while ago,
One piece of problem? What's wrong?
Me and Errol nearly fight a while ago,
What you and Errol nearly fight for?
Him tell me say him a go fi bad man for me.
Errol tell you
Yes, and him also tell me that you come up in him face.
Me come up in a
Errol
Errol
face.
face?
Up in him face and want shoot him down and something.
Me? That's a lie from the pit of hell if I tell you that I go in the bush and I see Errol. And I tell Errol morning. And just because I say morning to Errol, Errol lift up him hand and box me in my face.
God!
And
What you saying to me?
me say Errol box me in my face and me drop on the dirty. Lord Jesus.
You hurt anywhere, my wife?
Me hurt here, so
Oh, God.
right here. And you know what? I tell myself that when I got there, I wasn't going to say anything,
Wife,
Don't listen to me.
I'm not coming over there with you,
Why you not coming with me, honey?
I can't check this, my wife. I'm not coming over there. You see, you
Oh,
cause
God.
unnecessary problem,
Me cause unnecessary problem? Where were you when Errol boxed me down? That is unnecessary for you to stay away from me. That is what is unnecessary.
If you never pick up JPS matter on your hand, we would not be going through this right now.
Lord have mercy.
We would not be going through this.
Honey, I don't take up JPS matter on me hand. Is JPS matter come in me bosom because every night me say you don't see that the light was on and off, and I just know that it was the thief that caused it. It's not JPS matter, it's my business and your business.
It's not my business.
And because of that, Errol boxed me down and you weren't there. Everything happened to me, you're not there. Tell me something, is that what you're going to do all the days
Tell you before, anything come your way, you have to stand your hand.
Me
right?
must,
Don't it you tell me that you will stand
stand your hand?
I am standing my hand because when
So why you complaining now?
because you weren't there to see Errol box me down to video it
You
so I
have
can
no
show the
right to do
police.
that, but you cause it on yourself.
I don't cause it on myself. Well, you tell you what, I'm going over JPS and I'm going to report every single one of them and I'm going to make sure that I carry them to their houses. You hear what I said? Every jackman house I go and carry them to since as it's me cause it on myself. Me cause it on myself when me they walk past and him box me down a dirty.
So you don't feel some more thing are going to happen to us?
Who
It
cares
just
about
starting
more
up.
things? Well, yes. I'm glad you know that it just
And I
started.
don't like when you're talking to me, you come. You like you walk and shoot me down, you know.
The reason why is because Errol boxed me down and you weren't there to defend me.
I will lend you my hand back, you know.
Lend it to me.
I will lend you my hand back.
Jeremiah, lend your hand back to me. Lend it to me. It's me alone you had for. Go and had for Errol. Go and had for Errol who boxed down your poor wife who didn't do him anything. Oh my God. You should have seen when him lift up his hand back and box me down and grog and me lie down in the dirty said, Jesus.
I tell you that this week
Oh,
what was going to happen, but you had a ears. I see there, you get a
God.
fist in your face
Me get-
just because you won't leave people but you're alone.
Oh, Jesus. That is what you have to say to your poor wife, your poor humble wife. That is what you have to say. You don't know me as a troublemaker.
Honey, I'm sorry for what happened to
You
you.
don't look like
But
you're sorry. You
you
don't
got
look
to
it.
stand your hand.
I am going to stand my hand. When I go over by the JPS, as I tell you before, every one of them going down. Every jack one of them.
I'm not coming over
What do
there.
you mean you're not coming?
I'm not coming.
Okay.
So you can go and I'll wait on you here.
No problem. I hope, and you know what? When I come back, I'm going to give you a divorce if you don't come in there with me.
I'm not coming.
I don't like your ways and your style. You always blame me for everything. If I see the people them thieving and talk about it, nothing is wrong with that. If I am talking about my life-giving problem, why I shouldn't say anything? Just because of the thieves, I should shut my mouth?
That's what you should have done. That's what you should have done.
All right, my husband. All right. Oh, Jesus. Anyway, I soon be back. You're here
And if
when...
you stay in there long, I'm going to go away, leave you.
Don't leave me, honey. I promise I can't stay in there long because I want them to catch Errol in the bush.
Huh.
You hear me? I soon come, honey.
You're just on Errol case every minute. Huh.
Because Errol is a thief.
Honey.
Yes, baby.
I wish part there.
Me in the bathroom. I want to take you so long.
Only a one piece of problem a while ago down the same.
What happened to your mom?
Josiah talk about say she got on JPS guy report me name.
Tell me say a joke can't make it. No, sir.
A one piece of problem down the same while ago, you know, honey.
My God.
After me there, I put up the wire to get the light. The woman come down and take all the picture, you know. I said she got JPS with it, you know.
Jesus Christ.
And
Seriously?
after the man come down, you know, honey. A one piece of problem a while ago, you know. I'm glad you were there, you know. I get serious, you know.
This I get serious, but anyhow, so what you do to them? You not drag her down and fling her down.
I don't step on and tell her if you go on her way, she want to go on and report me, she go on and report me.
So you tell them, you could not tell her that? My God, I don't know them stairs now. So she gone up on JPS.
I thought she said she gonna look on it.
No, man, no.
She a laugh up with me. Yes, she said the woman have me up.
One wicked little woman, you know. One wicked woman, you know. I never know, you know. Somebody husband I say.
The day me I tell him say him a say him not in a nothing, but
Yeah.
you know say him not really in a them thing there.
Yeah.
But me I say once you live with her, once you live with her,
The two of them must uphold with
so
it.
if he say him a go back JPS and I say nothing.
He must say something. But this look like it's sticky and serious, you know. No, sir. No, sir. Look
Me a
at
think
no,
and say
man.
now better we go take down the
Listen,
wire.
we have to go up there right now. Right now, what take
Because
down
the
before
police
this
come and
case.
know say me could have got fish.
Yes, my God. Why me never know such a thing, a wicked man? How can come out to the man?
Me say me a pass the wire this morning, honey. You understand?
Yes.
She did a rake up the yard.
And me and her did a good attack, you know.
And she
And
talked
she
to you
told me
good.
say my life soon better, me can start.
She said that to you?
can all have me legal light and something.
And she got to say she had go for JPS and she knows that serious allegation
Well,
that
they
you can't spend all one year.
light.
You can't spend all 1 year in prison.
Listen now, when me they put up the light wire on the current only. Me even appear attention. Me see she a come and me even appear.
Yeah.
The woman take out phone. Me don't know if I'm a picture or a video. She a video me honey.
No man, me don't
When
see
she come
that.
down for me, yes Errol. Me catch up on camera now.
Yo,
Honey, you say if I never want Ella woman, me a
yeah, you should have shot her. They said you should have lick her in her face.
Yeah,
You should have
you
lick her in her face. That's what she hear about. You
But she has take up people matter upon fear.
I know me I say, listen me the time when they had the chatting up, it look like she really mean business. Me go down up a wire before she go call police can off it through.
You feel that she would really go down there?
You can't trust nobody now, nobody. Nowadays you can't trust no shadow after dark. You don't know that? Not in the little baby pampers you can't trust nowadays. Me go down there. What a wicked woman.
Then come and see light wire and me can go prison feet.
No, that me I say babes.
And she would all call everybody name too.
What do you mean by call everybody name?
So now will you wire down there honey?
Lord Jesus Christ, this don't look right. Come on, go take down everybody wire. Everybody wire we have to go take off. Come in. I want to send everybody to prison today. Every jackman going to prison, down to the baby. I want to send a prison today. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Ma'am, I'm having a problem where I live, ma'am. A beer thief live there.
What?
Pure thief, naked thief.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure, ma'am. Miss, if I tell you this morning, I see Errol, you know. Errol was thief in the light. And I go to Errol and Errol fight me off. And I have some evidence here, ma'am. I want you to send police down here because Errol is there right now. Because I want you to lock up Errol and all the thieves that down there. You hear what I said, ma'am?
I hear you, ma'am, but you know that this is a serious allegation.
Ma'am, then I know, ma'am, but I don't care, you know, ma'am. I just want to get rid of Errol and the rest of thief them down there. Because of them, I cannot use my light properly, you know, at night, every night. The light on and off, and I believe it's because of the thieves why I cannot get to use my light and not fan properly, miss.
How long now did this have been going on?
Miss, a long time me used to see them, but guess me what? I never know exactly where them throw up them line, but I know where them throw it now. And not only that, you know, ma'am.
What?
I have picture of Errol thief in the
Show it to
line.
me, please.
Let me show you. Miss, I just want you go down there, go lock up Errol. Look on this. I catch Errol throwing up the line this morning.
You sure?
Yes, that's Errol, ma'am. You see how him face clear?
Yes.
That means that the police will know exactly say him in the work, him are the leader down there. Yes, ma'am, and I have some other. Oh, sorry about that, ma'am. I'm so nervous because did you know that Errol fight me?
What?
He box me on my face.
Why?
Because I tell him to take down the JPS line because I don't like it. And because I drag the line and push it down, he box me down there and flatter me on the ground, you know. It's when me wake up, me get to come up here. Me remember say he's up here, me coming and still come. And him tell me say go and do away with me and my husband. Oh God, don't. Yes, he said don't kill me and my husband.
This is serious.
This is serious.
Very
Miss,
serious.
I have all of them name here.
Let me see. Let me see. Can I call the names of
Of course you can call all of them why you laugh.
Delroy, Chen, Andrew, Martin, and Ferdy.
Yes, and many more down there, miss. And miss, if you want me to take you there, I can't take you there. Miss, you know my husband is out there and him know the truth and don't want to tell you. Yes, I'm afraid of them, but me not afraid of them, you know. Oh.
Okay. Well, I have to talk to your husband too.
Yes, you have to talk to him, but him said not coming in here.
Well, somewhere
You have to get him to
you
talk.
have to get him to talk.
Yes,
because
ma'am.
this is a very serious allegation.
Yes,
very
ma'am.
serious matter. JPS have been losing a lot of light and power.
Yes, ma'am, it's true.
What is happening?
Yes, ma'am. Me not getting me proper service, and you know what hurt me?
Yes.
I have to pay for all of the damage that they commit in the place. And
killed you.
Yes, my mama JPS, and then you know what hurt me? My husband asking me if I'm working for JPS. I told him I don't work at the office. I work from home.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And miss, I don't know if you can do a little something for me.
What is
I know we're leaving, but like how I come to report Errol and everybody's name,
Yes.
can you take a little something off of my light bill? If it's even some of the month them I don't pay any bill, because Lord, the bill they kill me.
You are serious?
Yes, so I don't know like how me carrying a little message, and I shouldn't do it because my husband warned me. Can you take off something off of my light bill this
I'm
month?
not promising you no, but
Yes, miss.
I'll look at it.
Yes,
I'll
and
look into it. Okay?
all right, miss, but I hope you tell the manager that I am the one that carry the news. So next time he must send me bill, him send it a little bit less. You hear me? Because it's really affecting me. And my husband is outside and I want you to meet him as well. So I don't want to keep up your time, you know.
Yes,
And I want you to go down there to catch Errol throwing up the line still, because since as him a bad man,
Yes.
Walk up flat on me. They don't have any respect for elderly person, you know.
I know.
You know that.
I know.
All right. All right, miss. You're not coming with
Yes,
me?
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Okay, Lord help me.
Just give me a few minutes.
Okay, miss.
So what is going on here? What is going on?
Hey, you're asking me what is going on?
What is for now, my wife? I tell you that not to go in there, you know.
You tell me not to go in there, but I tell you that I'm going in there to carry down everybody flat on the ground. Here is my husband that don't want to talk, and he know all the thieves' name. Tell them what you know.
What is your name, sir? Thank you, Monica.
Her name is Jeremiah White.
Jeremiah what?
He's telling a lie. What is your name? His name is Jeremiah Brown. Why you telling them that?
Mr. Brown.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
don't cooperate, I'll have to call the police. Which do you prefer?
I prefer for you to call the policeman, because I guess when we reach down there, I want Jeremiah to get locked up as well, because he don't want to talk all the name of the people. Because you're hidden all the names up here in your head. You don't want to tell him I don't have all the name in the book.
Mr. Brown, that is
Yes,
5
ma'am.
years in prison if you don't cooperate.
Yes,
Up to
ma'am.
$10 million fine. Which you prefer?
I'll cooperate, ma'am.
You sure, Mr. Brown, you're ready to
Yes.
speak?
Yes, ma'am.
So your wife gave us a list already of 12 names. What you want to do? Tell us first or show us.
I'll show you where.
No, I don't believe so, ma'am. I don't believe he should just show you, because he know everybody's name. Because when he go to bush sometime, he tell me that he see people going through the bush with stick and wire.
Miss
So I don't
Monica,
believe that.
You have your phone to take the pictures?
Yes.
Okay. Speak up, sir. Speak, Mr. Brown.
Yes,
Speak.
ma'am.
We don't have all day.
Tell them
Speak
the
up.
names that you tell me sometime when you go into bush, who you see, and the lady that you see. You didn't tell me
I see
something.
Alice the other morning
Prison Alice.
come with
Yes,
a
ma'am.
long piece of wire.
Oh Lord.
When she push up the stick on the post, I see fire gash.
Oh Lord.
And what did you do?
Oh Lord.
I couldn't do nothing. It's not my business.
What you mean it's not your business?
If it was
Miss
not.
JPS concern is not mine.
Alright, so you're going to prison then.
For what?
Because you see Alice and you didn't report it, Mr. Brown.
That is not my
Lord.
business to report anything.
It is all of us business.
It's not my
It is
business.
all of us business, because I tell you that they're the reason why we light go off in the night.
You see
And I
you?
can't get my fan to use. It's all of us business. Both of us is working for JPS at home.
I am not
and I
working
tell you
for
that.
JPS.
Yes, we employ ourselves
Alright,
to
Mr.
talk.
Brown, it seems like you want to spend the rest of your whole days in prison,
Yes.
man. You're working for that.
No, ma'am.
So you're ready to cooperate. I don't want the argument and the loud noise. I can't deal with it.
I'm
right
sorry,
now.
ma'am. It's just that I am upset.
And we don't have all day. So let's
I'll take you to where the wires are.
yes.
Taking
let's
him
go.
to the wire. You see how you get involved now. You're afraid of going
Walk
to
a
prison.
little bit faster, man. You're taking too long. A bit faster.
If you did come early, she wouldn't have to tell you that.
You
I would
can't
have
stop
reached
the knife.
you. I'm not stopping the knives. You get me upset all the time.
A little faster, Mr. Brown.
So this is where the illegal connection is.
Don't touch it, man. Don't touch it.
This is where you can come up closer so you can get more evidence, you know. So
You ready to talk now, man? I like
this
that.
is Errol line. This one. And this one right here is Alice line. The rest of them I don't really know who for line. I don't know if you know who for line the
If
rest
me
of them.
know, it's not you. See everybody when they coming through the bush. Huh? It's you come through the bush when you're going to
So there are more than this?
Yes, there is many more. You don't see. I think maybe that one is for Martin.
Lord
And
have mercy.
That one is for
Wow.
I can't. There are so many of them that are.
But we don't get any money from this community, man.
No, you're not going to get it because they are all thieves.
Oh my God.
Maybe it's just 2 of us or 3 of us paying for the light. And this is what I'm telling you. They say that I am an informer, and I told them that I'm not informing. I tell them that I'm only a plain lady in the village. Why you shut your mouth? Aren't you tired of them as well? If you're never tired of them, you wouldn't come home in the day to tell me that you...
I say what I must say already and I'm not saying anymore.
Oh, you mean you're not
Mr.
saying
Brown,
anymore?
we're not quite finished as yet.
Tell him again.
We're not quite finished.
I wonder if that one is for Roy. It nearly looked like a Roy line that you
But we
because
don't have Roy on the list, man.
it's not on it, but put it on it
Oh,
because
my
I remember Roy passed one of the day with a red wire, and that one looked like the one that Roy bring. That's the wire I see Roy with. You remember that day, the last week, Tuesday, I think?
I can't recall.
You can't
Mr.
recall.
Brown? Mr.
That
Brown.
one. Let me count them. Oh Lord, I can't even count them. It look like it's about 25.
This looks like
Wire.
we have to get a bigger team, Monica.
Yes,
We have to get a bigger team
Yes.
to investigate, man. This
So-
is a lot.
So like how you do all your investigation, can I go now?
Where do you live, Mr. Brown?
Tell
I
him
live
where
up
we
the
live.
road there.
Up which road?
Right up the road.
Every talk you talk,
How
you put
far
a
is
little
it
piece
from
of lie
here?
in it. It's not true. It's not true. We live down the road, a little bit down the road, ma'am. I don't know why he's telling all these lies. Ma'am, I'm
So
going
how
to...
do we find you when we come
Ma'am,
back with the
when
team?
you come with the police, you can come and get me. Both of us will be coming with you.
Okay.
And I will be bringing you door to door where all the thieves live, right? For you to lock them up.
Okay, appreciate
Remember,
it. Mrs.
you're going
Brown.
to, you know.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. But
So
and I don't know if it's Miss Monica tell you exactly what we talk about in the office, ma'am. It's just a little secret. My husband didn't hear, so I want him to know in case I'm not here. I asked Miss Monica if the boss could take off a little something off of my light bill, like how I come and report about
We will
all
look
the
in,
thieves.
we will look into that. So
Yeah.
we'll speak to you the next time we come.
I
and do
hope
that.
so, ma'am.
We'll
'Cause
look into
I don't expect when my light bill come this trip, anything big supposed to come on it. Right, my husband? Because we quarrel about it.
that. Let
All
us
right.
speak about
Yes,
that on
ma'am.
our next visit.
Yes, ma'am.
We
Can we-
appreciate the cooperation, Mr.
Yes, ma'am.
Brown.
Thank you.
And Mrs. Brown, thank you so much.
You're
You don't have to
welcome.
put my name in the book, you know.
You can
Yes,
put
you-
him name
yes.
in
What
here.
I
Your
say?
name is already
You
there,
don't
Mr.
have to
Brown.
put your corporate.
Why?
Why-
I don't
why
want
is
my
that?
name in nothing to do with the government.
It's already there, Mr. Brown. It's already
All right, my
there.
husband. I don't know nothing bad we say, you know. We did a
What
good job.
good, Mr. Brown?
Yeah,
What good.
all right.
Mrs. Brown.
Thank
Come
you
on,
very
Nicole.
much. Did you get my number? You remember
Yes,
my...
yes,
It's in
yes,
the book.
yes, it
I just want to make sure that everything goes well, all right?
Okay, all right. Your
All
husband
right.
leaving you. Walk good.
All
All
right,
right.
thanks.
Come, Monica.
Sitting by the river, focusing on nature. Sister Petra alongside Ethic. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking at trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they're counting. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking at trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they're counting.
Too much cussing from those noisy neighbor. I wanna
a peaceful